Google or when you search or when you hear, people say, just love yourself by doing this or love yourself by doing that, what are some common things that you hear or that you read? Just shout it out loud.
I'm sorry. Self-love is basically taking out time for yourself or for the activities which soothe your mind and make you calm.
Okay, so taking like time out for yourself to do your own activities, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's one thing that we hear. What's something else that we hear? Linda, Jen, think of what you're good at, as if self-love is based on what you're good at. Or forgive yourself as if you did something wrong. Or, look yourself in the mirror and tell yourself over and over again, I love you, I love you, I love you. And these don't work. These don't work because they're all surface level conscious things. Telling yourself, I love yourself, I love myself, that doesn't work. So with all these things that don't work, I found something that's simple, easy, and effective that actually works to feel self-love forever. Want to know what it is?
Of course.
Okay. And when you find out, if you just want to get up and leave the presentation right after, I totally understand. So the way to feel self-love forever is to do nothing. You don't have to do something or be somebody in order to feel love or self-love. Love is natural. It's just about removing the conditioning that's blocking you from feeling what's natural. Does that make sense?